Hey guys, today I'll be doing another Minecraft modding tutorial. This time it's episode 2 and I will be teaching you on how to create a new item in Minecraft, yay! And also how you can craft it. This is going to be at least a 20-30 minute-ish tutorial. The last recording failed because no audio came through, which was a bit annoying, but oh well. I decided to do it again. So, first of all you're going to want to go, well first of all I'm going to quickly recap something. If you've seen my last video, you don't need to go back to it. If you haven't, please do go back to it. And also, if you have, I've left a couple of annotations. One, you don't delete meta-inf. I highly recommend you don't delete it. It gets rid of most of that weird field underscore stuff. So, yeah, otherwise it's going to make coding really hard. Sorry if I didn't tell you soon enough. You're going to need to scrap it and start again, but I have left some annotations in case you haven't yet watched it, so sorry about that if you have. But yeah, anyway, we're going to open up Eclipse today. Okay, we're going to select the workspace, which of course was in this folder and was named Eclipse. This is generated by Minecraft Coder Pack, also known as MCP. Okay, we're going to expand client and server, client and source, sorry, SRC, then net Minecraft source. These are all the classes for Minecraft in the .minecraft. So we're going to start off nice and easy, and I'm going to explain line by line because I know when I learned I want to know what the lines mean, but I never could. So in the end, I did some research on ModLoader and Minecraft itself and Java. So we're going to right click on net.minecraft.source, hover over new, hit class. First of all, you want to make sure this is unchecked. Just name it mod underscore whatever you want. The reason we need mod underscore is because ModLoader separates all the things without it for the ones with it, and it reads the ones with it, okay? So, this name can be anything, anything after mod underscore. Ignore Eclipse saying this, it really doesn't matter. I think it has to be lowercase anyway. The rest of it can be uppercase or whatever you want, so we'll just call it, or it's best not fully uppercase because you have to be precise with Java. That's one thing that annoys me, but just to let you know, that's what you need to do. So, sorry if I'm going a bit too fast, I'll slow down a bit. Let's see. Just call it blocky block. It's not actually going to be a block today, it's just going to be an item we're doing today. So, first of all, you're going to see this fresh new class. You're going to want to extend, so it'll get all the reference classes and all the methods from the other class, and one we want to fetch is base mod. This is provided by ModLoader, not Minecraft itself, so we'll just find base mod. You have to edit this, and pretty much don't edit it, but I think anything that is an abstract has to be dealt within the code, because other code, and just bear with me on this, I will explain it in a second. We also need is get version, and what else is there? ToString get version. Okay. String, no, was that it? No, sorry, I made a mistake there again. Just look for anything that has an abstract there, loads. We'll implement these automatically with Eclipse. You can type them up if you know what you're doing. If not, just hover over this over here if you're using Eclipse and click add unimplement methods. It will generate some code for you. Hopefully while it's not freezing your Eclipse. Hopefully no. Oh, there we go. My CPU is quite bad on my computer, so please do excuse that. So first of all, in the get version you want to put your current version of Minecraft. You don't have to do this, but if this mod ever does crash for other people, it's mainly for their sake. So let's say this mod is designed for 1.3.2 and say it's 1.4. 1.4, sometimes coding will change, and when the next release, which is 1.4, I think is out, I'll show you how it is. But the current Minecraft version is 1.3.2, and we're going to put a semicolon at the end. And what does a semicolon do, you ask? Well, it tells Java to pretty much read this line, if you know what I mean. Well, as it reads it, when it sees a semicolon, unless it's of course inside of string, otherwise it'll just count it as a multiple letter of characters and just ignore it. Because a string is a value of numerous characters, can be absolutely anything from this to this, and it can't be more can't be more of these, otherwise it'll just confuse it, but it can do this. But yeah, semicolon just tells it to stop reading this line, start the next line. But there's nothing else in this little method, if you know what I mean. So yeah, what you're going to want to do is say public static fine. Now you should all highlight a purpley colour. Yeah, so public means it's accessible, I believe, throughout this class. I'm not sure. Static and final, I'm pretty sure, means it's accessible throughout all the classes in this workspace, I think. So we're going to reference item, which is the item class here, which has got all the items. So it'll create, it won't actually put something in here, but Minecraft will think there is something in here, so don't worry about that. What we're going to name it, this is just what Eclipse will know it as, not what Minecraft or Java will know it as. Well, yes, in Java, but we'll just call it blocky. It's got to be something short and sweet. I guess you can easily type up names times. What's it going to equal? It's going to be a new blocky block, and this is a class that doesn't exist yet, but I will create it. This will get everything. It's like when you do get everything from the class when it's created. It's pretty much like saying extends base mods or any other class, but what it'll do, it pretty much creates it, references it to Minecraft, I believe. I'm not too sure. Pretty much describes it, like how you can set the maximum, how much it can be stacked, and all that. So in here is the item ID. We'll do 150. And you set item name. This is what Minecraft will recognise it as, not what its inventory name. So when you put your mouse over it, it says the name. This will just be what Minecraft knows it as, not Minecraft knows it as. Which this can be absolutely anything. It could be nobody will see this. Well, not that I know of. But for the sake of it, I'm just going to call it blocky block semicolon. That's why it's got that little red line there. So if you move it, it'll just appear. You need it there to pretty much tell Java or Eclipse to stop reading that line, start the next line. So yeah, what you're going to want to do, I believe, is go in public void load. So it'll initialize a few things on load. First of all, we want a picture on it, don't we? First of all, the pictures have to be 16 pixels by 16 pixels. So if you have Photoshop or Paint.net or Adobe Fireworks or anything like that, just when you create new, go File, New, Transparency, and pixels 16 by 16, I believe. Yeah, it's 16 by 16, I'm sure. But yeah, otherwise it'll just, I don't think it'll work. I'm not sure what will happen. I haven't tried, but make sure it is 16 by 16 pixels. But this is my image, which was a retexture of a diamond blocky ingots. It's quite small, 16 by 16 pixels. Zoom in and out. Pretty good retexture, I guess. I'm not sure if you think it's good or not. Well, first of all, we're going to want to do modloader.add_name. So this will be the inventory name. When you hover over it, this is what it will know it as. When you put, well, this is the name. It's not actually the name as in set item name, as say you do /give to epic forward blocky block. That will be this, but this will be what appears on the screen. pretty much. I recommend doing something like Blocky Block or whatever you're going to call it. This isn't actually a block what we're creating, it's an item that has no particular effect, but I'll show you how to make a thing set on fire and act like flint and steel, I guess. So I want to reference Blocky Block, so I'm going to set the name for Blocky Block. And I know Blocky Block, yes I did. And the actual name is going to be Blocky Space Block with good grammar and capital letters and a semicolon. That's just still erroring because I haven't created that class yet. So this will basically set the name, think of it as set name, not add a name, for Blocky Block, and it will actually be called, or known to the player as Blocky Block. Now we want the picture, don't we? So we're going to do Blocky Block dot set item, no, set item index, no, dot set in icon index. Yes, that's it. Is it? Oh god, I'll be back in a sec. I'm just gonna have a quick check on the forums because I'm still an intermediate, let's say, at Java, and I haven't done a lot recently, so I'll be back in a sec. Okay, how stupid then? Just then, it's dot icon index equals mods loader dot add override to slash GUI slash items.png. I'll show you where this is located in a second. Well, yeah, I'll just create a new image for the sake of it, just to show you how. So, yeah, go to %appdata%, go to Minecraft. Of course, it's not here because I've used it in here. Go to bin. Go to jars, bin, Minecraft. Go to GUI. Drag and drop items to your desktop from here. Don't worry, it'll just copy and paste it pretty much. Then open up whatever photo editing or photo software you use. Open the thing that you saved somewhere here. Then create a new one by 16 and 16 pixels. I'm going to quickly make it transparent with the magic wand, so they call it. And oh, what's that? I've never seen that before, but that's something they're going to add soon. Yeah. Select this here. Hopefully this will be the right size. Needs to be 2 extra pixels wide, 1 pixel in height. So extra. I'm a perfectionist, haha. 1 extra in height, 2 extra in width. I think I've got that. Just remove this, paste it again. Spot on. There we go. So now I want to change the texture, and this is how I did it. You go hue, saturation, drag your colour you want. It could be absolutely anything. It can be goldeny colour if you really want, but we'll have the darkish colour, and we'll just say OK. Save it wherever you want. I won't save this because I've already done this. I've stored it right here, as you see. So now you're going to head back into Eclipse, go to the top, right click on net.minecraft.source, click new, folder, just name it blocky stuff images. This can be absolutely anything. I'm just calling it this for the sake of it. And I'm just going to quickly get the name. I'm not going to change the name. Just going to copy that there. Exit. Okay, so what you're going to do, don't put a // I don't know why, it just doesn't need it for some reason. I haven't tried it with, but I know it works without. So blocky stuff images. So it's pretty much like selecting the folder. So then now we're gonna slash basically means, let's say we open this folder. So then it's going to look for blocky ingots.png and a semicolon at the end. So it's going to open up blocky stuff images, the folder, and pretty much think of it as opening this as well. Don't need a / on the end, just think of it as that. So now we're going to drag blocky ingots into this folder here. I'm gonna select copy files, hit OK, and it will be in there. Yay! So you see it's right there. So that is almost it. Got to create one more class, so we'll right click, new class, and we're going to name it this thing here. Whatever you put here is what your next class is going to have to be named. You don't need mod underscore like this, just blocky block, because modloader won't read this class, but modloader will read this class here, and then this class will pretty much use the other class that we're going to create. So what we're going to do, like we did extends item, we're going to do extends base mod, we're going to extend an item this time. So get everything from items pretty much and used in this class. So what you're going to do, because I'm a bit lazy, just hover over this, hit add constructor here, remove this. I just changed this because it's more recognisable. Minecraft always does this weird super stuff on par whatever. Well, you do need the super stuff, but there's weird par things and whatever. We're not playing golf. So we're going to do max item stack equals 1, so it can only be stacked 1. Max item size, I think. No, it's max stack size. There we go, goes blue. So we've done this. This will now work, but it won't be obtainable in the game. So what's wrong here? Well, one cannot be resolved as variable. I think it'll change this to public, I'm not sure. Save. Okay. Public. What? Blocky block. I'm not sure. I have to protect it. No, still errors? Okay, I'll be back in a sec then. So see you then. Okay, done a little bit of research. Not sure if this will make a difference, but just follow me here. Just create another constructor, public mod blocky block, because that's what this class is called here, and just paste the stuff here. So I'm not sure if that will make a difference. No. So I'll be once again back in a minute. See you then. Okay, I fixed it. The only thing I did was change the ID to 500 and I changed it to public here. Not sure why that made a difference, but it obviously did. So now, how are we going to obtain it in the game? Well, we're going to make a crafting recipe. How fun's that? So modloader dot add recipe new oh god, this is why it loses me. I'll be back in a sec. Sorry about this. Oh, sorry, I was right. So new item stack. So this is going to create a new item stack. No, not items. Items stack. Item stack. So now it's going to what are we going to get basically? So what we're going to get is a blocky block, and we'll get one of them. And make sure to only have one closing bracket here and leave this one open. So, do new object. As so. Simple, right? Then you're just going to do this here. This is basically, well, yeah, pretty much. So it's more clearer than having it all shuffled up in one line. Have it multiple lines. Just follow me for this. I'll explain it in a sec. So, what's the crafting recipe going to be for this? A square of dirt in a 2x2 crafting table. I'll explain this in a sec. Okay, so this may be a bit confusing to some, but basically this is the blocks filled in your crafting table. So first line is this. If it was going to be 3x3 crafting table, we'll have 3. Then the other line 2. There you can put it. Yeah, they can put it there. So this would be a 2x2 crafting grid. So yeah. It will be dirt all filled up on the 2x2 crafting. So X representing dirt. So picture a 2x2 crafting table. Picture it all filled up with dirt. So this being dirt here, then the next line being more dirt. Then it's saying the character, which is only reading one of the characters at a time, the value of X is dirt. So say we want it to be dirt and a log, let's say, which anything can go here, but it has to be different if you want a log. So do another comma, character dot value of L is block dot no. Okay, I don't know what log is, but we'll just have I don't know. Give me a quick think. Block dot wood. Okay, wood. That's it. So this would basically mean in a 2x2 crafting table, dirt and dirt, 2 pieces of dirt on top right, dirt at the bottom left, and a log. It has to be. I'm not sure if it's wooden planks or just wood. We'll find out in a sec. But the wood or log would be on the bottom right. So now it's obtainable in the game. So you know what? Let's test it. May take a sec to load up. Nope. Choose my creative world for the point of this little test. Make things easier. Is this normal tree? Yes, it is. Get some dirt. Tried to keep this nice and short, but I couldn't really. See, there's no place to craft it here. Okay, so we can just pretend this is a 2x2 crafting grid. Just cut out this. We'll just put that there, and we'll try putting a lock there. Yay! It works. You see. Blocky block. We have our blocky block. Yay! See, this all works. You can drop it and everything. It works as a normal entity in Minecraft or a drop. So, what I'm probably going to do in the next episode is teach you how to make a block, and maybe in the episode after that, teach you how to generate that into the world, and probably tell you either how to get this when you mine the block, or to get the ore and just smelt that and get this. Vote in the comments. I will be checking these daily. Well, probably not daily, but probably every couple of days or so. I'm not going to make the next video for a little while, because of course I've got school and all the time. It's all 6 hours or so, but yeah. In a couple of episodes later, I'm going to show you how to make armor. Actually, That'll be interesting. Actually, no, before that, I'll teach you how to make tools. Then after that, I'll teach you how to make armour, because I believe armour is slightly more complicated. And after that, I'll teach you how to make food. And then after that, I'll teach you how to make achievements. And how you can get them when you smelt stuff or you craft stuff. So it's going to be an interesting series. Thanks for watching, and as I say, please do subscribe, leave a like and comments, or leave a vote if you really want. It is greatly appreciated if you do. Back here. Interesting. Yeah, it is greatly appreciated if you do. Leave some feedback, subscribe, and maybe leave a like. It's always helpful. But yeah, so you've now made, or should have made, you're an item in Minecraft. A brick, or a block isn't much harder. Literally just a bit of copy and pasting, adding a few more things. So I may also include a few new features. Let's say, generating in the wild, maybe in the next one as well. So stay excited, let's say, and I'll see you in another Minecraft or Portal or just tutorial based video, and until then I will be gone. Subscribe, like, comment.